I'm Cha-hong. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the dearly loved jelly palm, which was developed by the Cha-hong Academy. Previously, there was a bohemian girl here called the hippie palm, but the jelly palm is not like the bohemian. Instead, it creates a more elastic, powerful, and clear-cut curling hairstyle, which has a modern and lovely feel rather than a retro appearance. I think you can think of the jelly palm as a cute hairstyle with a polished, more elastic and tighted curling than the hippie palm is. Personally, if I had to pick a hairstyle that I should try and least one is my life, I would choose this look. It's very charming, fairy-like palm. Sometimes we need to escape from our daily routines by either traveling abroad or changing our overall looks, but this hairstyle allows this escape by allowing you to not come across looking too strong but have a lovely feminine feel. There's no face shape that doesn't ride good with the jelly palm. It's very easy to manage as you only need to dry your scalp, apply curling cream, and can dry it naturally. But for a hair designer, it's a high-level palm that requires a lot of work and it's very time-consuming. It's a palm that needs the winding or more than 6 rods, although the style takes a long time and is laborious work for the designer. It's also extremely rewarding. I believe that every fashion style goes well with this palm, but if I had to choose, I would recommend that rather than wearing something feminine, style the look with the clothes that are more casual like the SS trend, Bermuda pants, or an urban natural gender with the maxi blazer. I believe this jelly palm gives off a very special and unique charm when you wear these looks. Please remember this point. Today, I introduced Cha-hong's jelly palm. I recommend it for those who need more hair volume or need an image change, rather than those who have naturally curly hair. Until the next time we meet, please cherish and love yourself as there is only you in the world. See you next time. Bye bye. 좋아요, 구독은